You're not tired. You've just been domesticated. Let that one sink in. No, seriously. What if everything you thought you knew about sleep, like the 8-hour rule, was all just a lie? A big fat corporate lie designed to keep you plugged into the system.
Join Discord now.
This is where the nightmare protocol comes in. Here's the deal. Modern life has sold you a bill of goods. 8 hours of sleep is not some magical natural law. Think about it. When was the last time those 8 hours actually left you feeling amazing? Or are you hitting snooze 5 times, dragging yourself out of the bed, and mainlining coffee just to function? This isn't about being lazy. It's about being programmed. You've been conditioned to believe that long, uninterrupted sleep is the only way. But your body knows better. Your brain craves something different. Bursts of intense focus, followed by recovery. You're stuck in a system designed for factory workers, not for someone who wants to actually achieve something. You want to break free? I'm going to share science-backed strategies in my newsletter to help you take back control of your energy. It's all about working with your body's natural rhythms, not against it. Link in the description. Why do all those high achievers, Navy SEALs, Silicon Valley CEOs seem to run on fumes? Are they superhumans? No, they've just figured out that normal sleep is a myth. Imagine you're in a combat zone. Every second counts. Survival depends on lightning fast decisions. That's the reality for Navy SEALs. And their secret weapon isn't some fancy gadget. It's a completely different way of approaching sleep. It's called the Nightmare Protocol. They don't bother with 8-hour blocks. Instead, they use short, strategic naps combined with sensory cues to stay incredibly sharp even under insane pressure. And the science backs this up. Human sleep works in cycles, not one long stretch. By tapping into those short, light sleep power naps, think 20 minutes, you can get the cognitive boost without the grogginess of deep sleep. Here is where it gets even more interesting. The real key is using your sense of smell. Smell is directly wired to your limbic system, the part of your brain that controls emotions, memory, and behavior. By using specific scents, you can practically tell your brain what to do. Here's the 3-scent hack. First, peppermint. This is your go signal. Imagine walking into a room buzzing with that sharp, clean peppermint scent. Your mind instantly clears. Studies show peppermint boosts alertness and fights fatigue. Keep a diffuser nearby or use a drop of oil. Inhale deeply every time you start a task. Your brain will learn to associate that smell with laser focus. Second, burnt coffee. Sounds weird, right? But while drinking coffee wakes you up, the burnt smell can actually signal relaxation. Use this as your chill-out cue before a short nap. Light a candle or use an oil blend that smells like burnt coffee. Pair it with rest, and soon, just the smell will prepare you for recovery. Third, citrus and rosemary. This is your reset button. When your 20-minute nap alarm goes off, grab some orange or rosemary. These scents help you smoothly transition from rest back to action. If you want to try this out, pay attention. Spend a week tracking your energy levels. When do you feel the most tired? Those are your prime nap times. Create a nap zone. Dark, quiet, and cool is best. Nap strategically. Aim for 20-minute naps during those low energy periods. Use burnt coffee to signal rest. Set your timer and then wake up to peppermint or citrus. Keep a journal. Write down how you feel after each nap. Adjust the timing and scents until you find what works best for you. Research shows that even short naps can dramatically improve reaction time, decision-making, and even your mood. Add in the scent conditioning, and you've got a powerful, scientifically backed way to boost your performance. And the best part is that it's simple. No expensive equipment, no crazy life changes. Just 3 cents, a timer, and a willingness to give it a shot. Try one nap tomorrow. Use 1 cent. See how it feels. I guarantee, once you experience that surge of clarity and energy, you will be hooked. The reality is you're not tired. You've been conditioned. Every time you hit that snooze button, every time you rely on caffeine to get through the day, you're playing by someone else's rules. You're accepting the lie that your energy is limited, that your potential is capped. The Navy SEALs don't buy into that, and neither should you. Imagine waking up tomorrow with an edge that most people will never even know exists. While everyone else is stuck in the normal sleep trap, you'll be operating at your peak on just a few hours of strategic rest. This isn't for everyone. Most people will think it's too extreme, too much effort. But you're not most people, are you? You've always been the one to push the limits. to question the rules, to achieve what others think is impossible. They say you need 8 hours of sleep. I say you need a better strategy.